Hello everyone, this is Bharat Bhattajay. In this video we will see how to install Java. I have the link, so this is the link to the Oracle website. So click the link and here is the latest Java 8 version. So Java 9 is the latest version, but I think we need Java 8. So go here. Click this radio button, accept license agreement, and click the corresponding file for your system. So if you have Windows, then this is the one. This is for 64-bit, and there is also this one 86, that is for 32-bit machines. So based on your machine, select the corresponding file. My machine is 64-bit Windows, so I'll be selecting this one, the last one. Just click that link and it will start downloading. Okay, let me cancel this because I already have downloaded the file to save some time. So I'll be canceling this, and so this is what you will get after the download. So click this file and give yes here. So it started installing. So you can use all the default setting here. So click next, and you just need development tools. So these two are the other options for the advanced developers. For now I don't think we need that, so just select this development tools which provides the JDK. So basically this installation installs two things. One is JRE, Java Runtime Environment, and development tools. Okay, so Java Runtime Environment is default, and here we selected development tools, that is JDK. So just select this and click next. It will take a couple of minutes to install all the files. Yeah, I'm still waiting for this to complete. Okay, so this is the installation directory. So copy this or at least remember this directory. Okay, we need that to set up the environment variable later. Okay, I'll show that. So click next here, and now again it's finishing up its installation. I'm not planning to edit this video, so there will be a delay while installing the software. Okay, so it's successfully installed. So close this window. Okay, so now the next step is to set up the environment variable. So for that, first you need to copy the location where it installed. So as we saw, it installed program files, Java, and so we need this JDK. Okay, click this folder and copy this URL. Copy it to a notepad. Okay, and we need this, and this is called Java home directory, and /bin is the path for all the executables. So you need both of these, just make a note of it. And now go to your the main root folder, click properties and then advanced system settings and environment variables. Okay, so this location might be different based on the operating system you are. You can just search Google setting up environment variable for your operating system version. Maybe Windows 7 it will be different, but I have Windows 10. For this this is how we'll come to this window, environment variables, and here go to Java home. And if you don't have this, you can there is an option to create new. So you need to create a variable called Java underscore home, and the value will be the one which we noted. Okay, so I'll be editing that. So the variable name is Java home here, and this is the path I'll be copying. Okay, so Java home is set, and the second variable you need to set is the path. So you should be having this variable already with all the other path for different applications. So now we will be editing that to add the Java path. Okay, so again click edit here, and so just copy the other one which has the /bin at the end, /bin at the end. Copy that and create a new one and just add it there. Okay, I think I already have it, but if you don't have it, then add that one. Okay, I think that's all about environment variables. To check whether you have the Java installed or what version you have, you can just go to command prompt. So just type cmd here. Okay, now just type Java space -version. Okay, so it should give you the version and runtime environment, and that's all you need. So once you see this, that means you have successfully installed Java in your machine, and also environment variables required for Java. That's it for this video. Thank you.